Alright boys, we back with another video, and as you can tell, different vehicle. Bradley Martin in the building. Que pasó, in a different vehicle, as you can tell. Some random truck, some random dude, kidnapped me. But we go on a gun range and stuff today, so let's get into it. Should be fun. Yeah, little miniature video. Alright, so we dropping off some stuff to a homie, but we on our way, boys. We on our way. Ain't that right?
Oh yeah.
Alright, boys. Made it.
I got a new holster.
Yeah, you got a new holster, by the way, if you heard it. But we made it, boys. Yes, sir. At some random shop. Yes, sir, boys. But after we drop off this stuff, we're gonna head out and go to the shooting range. So I guess I'll just catch you when we back out. See you guys. Alright, boys. So we doing a little gun tutorial. We got my friend Bradley Martin's Walther PDP. He got a Hollow Sun 507C.
Yep.
Correct? That's correct. And then what rounds are we using?
So these are S&B 115 grain 9mm. Okay. Nothing special, just target ammo. Carry ammo is the Hornady Custom hollow point 124 grain.
Okay.
15 round mags, and yeah, we're just out here having fun.
Got 2 mags out here having fun shooting at a green and red target that he thinks is brown.
Yep.
All right, let's go have fun.
It's all right. Well, how's your hand feeling?
It's definitely a little red. I think
tell.
it's matching the same color. Definitely a little sore tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
That's for sure.
That'll happen.
All right, boys, we made a bet. You can shoot out that red center mark. It's still there and within 5 shots for a whole 60 cents. Wait, no. For a whole 100 cents.
That's better.
A whole dollar.
Thought I was gonna get gypped out of 40 cents right there. Everywhere but.
I think I get my 100 cents.
Nah, 60 cents. You said 60.
True. My 60 cents. Yes, sir, boys. Brad checking out a gun down there. Shooting pretty good bullets, man. I'll ask Brad what size this is again, but 270. Pretty big round, man. Pretty big round. But it'd be fun, man. Tell me in the comments if you guys ever been to a gun range. Just let me know down there.
Oh yeah. That shit
You have to see where I hit it.
Let's try that again.
Alright, boys. We walk into the 2-hour target. I'm about to show you what I did first try. Watch this. Just check this out. Almost there. Almost there.
Yeah.
50 more for me.
And he was telling me, he was like, put your brake back on, please.
Oh no, okay.
Aw, shoot.
I was just below it. I didn't see it from that bit far, but
First try.
still, what is that? It's basically half-inch group.
Yeah, half inch.
Not bad. I think most of that was error. I know my rifle's more accurate than that.
It's pretty dang accurate. First tee, boys. Let's go.
I can actually see
That
this,
shit's so far away, bro.
but at 100,
But yes, sir. Let's go, boys. W in the chat. Alright, boys. Wrapped it up in the range. We headed out, getting food and shit. Successful day.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'll show you how I did when I get back for the first time. So that should be cool. That should be cool. But let's head out and yeah, talk to you guys in a minute. Alright, boys. We back. This is pretty much the end of the video. I'll show you guys how I did, I guess. Even though I kind of already showed y'all. So this is the pistol. I say for the first time, it's not too bad. You checking it out too, little man? You think that did pretty good? And then with the 270, I think for a first time shooting first time in a long time shooting a rifle at least, I think it's pretty good. Got the 2 holes right there. Pretty good, pretty good. That was the first shot that I showed you guys.
100.
Hell yeah. 100 yards, just like he said. But take care, guys. You're tired. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Love y'all.